Let's take a look at number 8. This time the variable is on the right side. So we're going to start by getting rid of the integer. The integer we want to get rid of is 2, and you could read this as subtract 2 or negative 2. All right, so let's say if it's subtraction, the opposite or the inverse would be to add 2 to both sides. So I'm going to type that in both of the boxes. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0, which is nothing. So I don't need that 2 anymore over here. But I still have x divided by 5. So I'm going to rewrite that all right here. And on this side, 23 plus 2 is 25. Now, although this fraction bar looks scary, it really just means divide. Some number divided by 5 is equal to 25. Okay? Now, the opposite or inverse of division is to multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by that 5. You always want to use the number that is with the variable. So multiply by 5 and multiply by 5 over here. Now, this box is up higher. It's at like the same height as the x. It is up here in the numerator. This 5 is down in the denominator. And for that 5, I could also, if I wanted to, make a fraction bar and put a 1 on the bottom. 5 divided by 1 is still 5. I don't really need the 1, but it's the same thing. So 5 fifths, let's go back to my arrow. 5 fifths is 1 whole. I'm going to maybe adjust that way. So if you need to spin these, you can click on this little circle here. 5 fifths is equal to 1, and 1x is the same as just x. And then over here, 5 times 25. Ooh, I can think of quarters. If I have 5 quarters, I have 125 cents. So x is worth 125.